Jain student, today we are going to discuss the Indian economic of the even of independence. The Indian economy under the British rule was subjected to colonial exploitation. It targeted the exploitation of all the sector of economic by the British government. Before we study the colonial government, it is equally important to know about the country economic past, even in the pre-independence or after the independence. The structure of the present Indian economy has its root steeped in history, particularly the period of British rule. The British conquest started in 1757 with the Battle of Palsi. The British rule in India can be divided into two parts. First, 1757 to 1858, that is the rule of East India Company, and 1858 to 1947, the rule of the British government. The purpose of the British colonial rule is that the sole in India was to reduce the country to being a raw material supplier and for Britain on rapidly expanding modern industry. And understanding the exploitative nature of this relationship is initial. India has an independent, self-reliant and prosperous economic before the advent of the British rule. After the revolutions of 1857, the control over India was transformed from the East India Company to the British Crown, who constituted colonial rule for the nearly 200 years till India gained independence on the 15 August 1947. The Indian economy of 18th century was primarily an agrarian economy. Agriculture was the main occupation of people at that time. Apart from India was also known as developed handicraft industry, the prominent handicraft industry which gave prime place to India in the world market where cotton, silk, textile, metal industry, precious stone were gold, silver, jewelry, etc. The Indian handicraft enjoyed worldwide reputation of the fine quality and high standard of craftsmanship. The Indian economy was flourishing till mid 18th century started to decline with advent of British rule. The British government pursued economic policy for the protection and promotion of economic interests of the British rather than the development of Indian economy. It is changed the whole structure of Indian economy, transformed into the supplier of raw material and consumer of finished goods and product of British industry. During the entire period of British rule, no meaningful economic progress took place. As such, at the time of India, India has a poor and stagnant economy. There is low level of income and economic development under the British rule. The British indicator of economic condition of nation is in national income per capita income. No systematic and sincere attempt was made by the British government to estimate Indian national income. Means the Indian has an independent economy before the advent of the British rule. There was a self-sufficing village and town. Agriculture was the main source of the livelihood for most of the people, and the country economic was characteristic by the various kind of manufacture activities. India was particularly well known as handicraft industry in the field of cotton, silk, metal, precious stones, and they have worldwide reputations enjoyed marked market based on the reputation of fine quality of material used and high standard of craftsmanship in all the import from the India. Means the some like that some indivisible attempt were made for expert in regarded that for development of the British calculate the national income. Some indivisible attempt were made by the expert in this regard. Notable among the estimator like William Digby, Fedele, Dadabhai Naroji, K.T. Shah, Dr. V.K. R.V. Rao, R.C. Desai. All these estimates produce conflict and inconsistent result. Estimated given by the Dr. Rao was the considered very significant. Different estimates show that level of national income per capita income was very low during the colonial period. Not only the per capita income low, but distribution was also inequitable. It means the bearing a few most people were living in abject poverty. Thank you.